You're doing a great job.
Tinker! Two-toed slot! Almost matched that time. Give it another try.
Do you remember what the other sloth was? Look at that. You're so smart. Go up just a little bit. Go up. And there it is.
Two-toed slot! Two-toed slot! I bet they're glad to be together again.
Wow, you found a match. You're so good at this.
Okay, let's do the other one.
Well, you got one more. You got one more set of eyes. I bet those two will match.
I can do it.
You had it.
Tinker!
And where's the last one?
Paper.
I wonder why it's not working.
That's not working.
Yeah, you had it. Let me try it. I don't know. Maybe it got stuck.
Tinker!
There.
Those two animals.
It was just stuck. You had it right, though.
Look! There are more animals to match.
More. You can go back here if you want.
So,
If you want to do a different game, you can go back. Yep. Oh, try it again.
Click.
Try it again. Click it. Yeah, click it. Oh,
Oh.
click. You keep moving the mouse when you try to click
If you
it.
want to go click the yellow arrow to go back to your sign-in page.
Try the volcano or the mountain. Is that a mountain?
Okay.
Oh, okay. You want to try that one?
Dark Mountain. You'll need some light to help the animals there.
Where's the volcano?
Try the trees down here. Try those trees or that river.
Canopy,
There you go.
Canopy. You'll be looking way up in the trees there.
this is the rainforest canopy. The canopy is so cool. We have to